Hi guys, this is Akash Jain and currently a second year student of marketing at KJ Soma Institute of Management. Life at KJ Somaya so far has been, really exciting. Like it's had ups and downs. For me, it was a first time hostel experience. I've never moved out of my home. And I'm someone who, okay, I'll be very honest. I'm someone who used to be a nerd up until 12th standard, up until my 12th grade. And after that, engineering changed me around and graduated as a mechanical engineer. Post that had a year of work in textile industry, and thereafter cracked cat and was it to KJ. And okay, few people are saying that I'm not audible. Um,
No, we can hear you. They just have to change their settings otherwise. That's okay. You can
all right,
carry on.
all right. So then people are asking why MBA after engineering. So hi Shrutika. So basically, technical skills will take you to only certain level. Like you really need to be, a technical geek in order to become a really, to attain a certain height in tech field. But I'm not someone who was always inclined towards technical field. I had my own startup in my second year of engineering. It ran successfully for 2 years. Thereafter, that startup started clashing with my acads. So I thought, okay, I'll take a year break. I'll complete my engineering. Thereafter, I'll continue with my startup. And it was, something based in textile industry. So I thought of having a work in textile industry. Post that, life keeps on teaching you that itna ho gaya iske baad. Now I think this is the time I need to move on and go a level up. Then I thought of doing an MBA in marketing, just so I can focus in, on my startup a few years down the lane. So that was the main reason I wanted to shift from my technical field to towards the management field, so that I should be in a position wherein I can handle my startup very well. Apart from that, life at KJ Soma, yeah, first year you'll have all the common subjects for like, you'll be studying marketing, you'll be studying finance, you'll be studying operations, HR, everything. And after that, in your second year, curriculum will slightly shift towards marketing. You'll have core marketing subjects wherein you'll be learning all about B2B, B2C. B2B, when I say B2B, it means business to business. Any business that is involved between two businesses is known as B2B. And after that, all technical core marketing subjects. And if I want to share my experience at KJ, it was really good,
One thing, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Uh, one thing. Let me give them a little idea about KG Somaya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
correct me if I'm wrong. So, guys, I'll share a little glimpse of KG Somaya for you all. Okay. So it's just basically when you talk about KG Somaya, the good thing about KG Somaya that I personally like is when you talk about KG Somaya, the first thing that pops up in your mind is college, which is education, right? अभी ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं जिनको बच्चों को पता भी नहीं होता कि ये किस चीज के, जैसे SIS हो गया, कोई आइडिया नहीं है, राइट? बट अगर हम केजी सोमय के बारे में बात करेंगे, नर्सरी भी है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे मैनेजमेंट भी है. सो
Yes, sir.
इट इज कंप्लीटली एजुकेशनल ब्रांड, जैसे सिम्बाइसिस है, राइट? So a lot of people don't understand what is Jamnalal Bajaj, but people do know KG Somaya, right? There is no comparison. I'm just telling that how KG Somaya is pursued by people in the market. I'll tell you the good thing about KG Somaya. The person who manages KG Somaya, who is the founder currently, his name is Samir Somaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Samir sir is a Harvard guy, and he is a visiting faculty to Cornell University, which is in US. And as far as the industry connect is concerned, Samir sir का it's amazing. हर बार जब कॉन्वोकेशन होता है, बहुत तोफ लोग आते हैं कॉन्वोकेशन के लिए. सो केजे का एक जो ब्रांड है, एक जो ब्रांड बिल्डअप हुआ है, दैट्स प्योरली यू नो एजुकेशन ड्रिवन, मेरे ख्याल से, आकाश, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, राइट? एंड देन विल मूव अहेड विद थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम आपको बताएंगे फैकल्टीज के बारे में, बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड यार हु इज द फाउंडर एंड हु इज द ओनर. एंड दूसरी बात अगर मैं करूँ यहाँ पे, सो केजे सोमया का जो सोमया ट्रस्ट जो है, राइट, उनका मेन बिजनेस इज नॉट एजुकेशन, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट टेक इट एज एन एजुकेशन, एज अ बिजनेस. मुझे नहीं पता अभी क्या सीन है, but जहाँ तक मुझे पता है they don't really consider making money out of education because उनका जो total revenue है सोमा ट्रस्ट का उसका 2 to 3% is what they're gaining from education only. उनका main business बहुत अलग है. They have different industries altogether. So education is not money making machine for them, to be very honest. But हाँ, private college है, infrastructure है. They had to sort of give you that kind of infrastructure. जैसे Bloomberg Labs है अंदर, मेरे ख्याल से आकाश अभी Bloomberg Labs भी आ चुकी है, if I'm not wrong.
Yes sir.
इसका खर्चा होता है, इसका Bloomberg को हर साल they have to pay the fees, by the way.
They pay around 60 lakhs per terminal, and we have 10 terminals of Bloomberg.
Exactly. Imagine. और ये टर्मिनल ऐसे बनावटी नहीं है, ये कुछ फेक टर्मिनल्स नहीं है, ये वो टर्मिनल्स है जो हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक में यूज करे हैं, एग्जैक्ट टर्मिनल वहां पे है. So it's a very heavy investment actually, right? कैंपस है, बिल्ड करना पड़ता है. कैंपस में they have done a lot of good things. So that's the reason they charge a fees which is a little bit higher. I mean मेरे ख्याल से equally है, अगर मैं same category के या फिर symbiosis compare करूँ तो सबका same ही है. So that's the little bit introduction about KJ Somaiya. Akash, you can move ahead and you can just tell them ki how's your experience abhi tak filhal, kaise, like, are you enjoying there, how is it, like, just tell them.
Yes sir. So coming to my experience at KJ, it was really fascinating for me. It was like first time I moved out of my hometown. So I come from Mysore, and for me Mumbai was a dream city, and I just went in, and then things changed totally. Like, you live in hostel, you have classes, morning 8 o'clock you rush for classes, evening 5 o'clock you attend classes, and then you chit chat around with your friends, then you keep on doing projects up until 3 in the night. You're sitting in the night mess doing the projects. Everything's a group project in KJ. So not just in KJ, in any MBA college if you go, it's all about the group tasks that you will be allotted, and you will be working in your groups up until night 3 o'clock 4 o'clock, and sometimes we have spent sleepless nights, but it's all fun. It's a one-time life experience when you will make a hell lot of network here. This is a place where you will find your future business partners, or maybe life partners if you want to say, or let's say if you want your startup guys, if you want to build your own team, everything you will get here. You'll get to network with a lot of people, and not just that, you'll get an exposure to a lot of international seminars, webinars, etc. So last year we had people coming from Cornell University. They were talking to us, and we had our health minister who had come to our college. They keep on coming. The guest lectures are really fun. Apart from that, everything, like, it's like one thing that you should actually experience. वो बताने से no words would ever justify as to how MBA has been to me so far. So yes sir.
Can we talk about the faculties?
Faculties, yeah. Coming to faculties, we really have some great faculties. So Isaac Jacobs sir is one of my favorite faculty of KJ. So this is one guy by name, I'm not sure if you guys have heard, Philip Kotler. So Philip Kotler is known as the father of marketing, and he's the books he writes are known as the Bible for marketing. And Sir Isaac Jacob actually is closely associated with that guy, and he actually writes so many articles in that book. And we are really lucky enough to have that guy, as one of our faculty members. So you can go and connect with that guy whenever you want. You feel like, sir, I'm working on a certain project and now I need some help regarding this. Can you please help me out? And they'll never hesitate to help you out. Apart from that, we have some really great faculty. One such faculty is Radha Iyer. She teaches us all these entrepreneurship related stuff, and she is the one who has mentored a lot of startups. So if you closely observe this Farm Easy and these startups are from the alumni of KJ, and ma'am was the one who used to mentor them at an early stage. And apart from that, finance faculties, and the faculties are really great. They're always approachable. It's not like you have to take any appointment. You just can simply drop them a text or mail. You can go to their cabin anytime you want, and you'll be like, ma'am, ek bada competition hai, I'm stuck with this thing, and I don't know how to proceed further. They'll be like, हाँ ठीक है बैठो solve करते. They'll read the whole case studies out with you, and then they'll help you out. So faculty culture is really great at KJ. So this is what about faculties. And coming to placements, which is the main thing which actually matters to everyone. So सब बोलते हैं कि MBA करना है, I'm doing for this, I'm doing for that, but deep inside we all know कि we are here for placements. So coming to placements, summer internships, fabulous, everyone into some, you know, the profiles. One of my friend Abhishek Mukherjee, he got into RCCM, and the pay he was offered was 1.3 lakh per month, and that was for his internship. Now he also bagged a PPO worth 22 lakhs. Baki companies to, like, they keep on coming, they keep on coming. Every big brand you name it, and we have them in KJ. So placement wise, it's very decent, and final placement so far are going really great. And that's what I would like to say about placements. And if abhi many people will be thinking कि मेरा profile एकदम dry है, there's nothing in my profile. So when I joined KJ, मेरा profile उतना strong नहीं था, and मेरा अगर strong भी था तो मेरे peers का मैंने देखा था जिनका strong नहीं था. But in first year, while you are in your first year, you get a lot of opportunities wherein you can do live projects with major brands. So I worked with Tata. I worked with Tata for 6 months. I was in IIT Bombay. I used to visit IIT Bombay campus every now and then. Apart from that, I worked with Times of India Group, and I worked with Fraternity, which is one of the leading startups of India. So ऐसे बहुत सारे live projects opportunities you'll be getting throughout the year. So
Wow.
it just takes the right thing, for you to catch them up, and तुम अपना प्रोफाइल फर्स्ट ईयर में कैसे माउल्ड कर सकते हो सो दैट योर सेकंड ईयर तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल बाप लेवल हो. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑल दैट मैटर्स इज जो तुम्हारे पीयर्स है वहां पे उनसे तुम बेटर हो कि बस कॉलेजेस को तो सिर्फ वही चाहिए, मतलब जो भी कंपनी आ रही है उनके लिए वही चाहिए कि इतने पूल में से सबसे बेस्ट बच्चा कौन सा है वो मुझे उठाना है. सो कंपटीशन तुम्हारा जब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि यू आर कॉम्पिटिंग विद द एंटायर इंडिया के बच्चे, यू विल बी जस्ट कॉम्पिटिंग विद बना लो एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी सॉर्टेड.
परफेक्ट. आकाश, यहाँ पे एक चीज ऐड करूंगा.
यस सर.
I'm very sure you don't know this, but तुम्हारा ये super duper senior होगा. So there was a student of
Yes,
mine.
sir.
There was a student of mine. What happened was she comes from a Gujarati family, very conservative, and she converted Sydenham. She converted KG Song. She missed JBIMS by 4 or 5 marks. Then she said that I'll probably go to KG Somaya, because started with KJ Somaya because being a Gujarati, it's a beautiful college, She started in KJ. She comes from financial services. So FS उसने करा. She is a gold medalist. She joined a boutique investment bank in Mumbai. उसका पैकेज मुझे पता है उस टाइम पे कुछ 12.5-13 लाख था. And she was happy. So I'll tell you the name of the company, Aranka. It's in Mumbai. It's a fabulous boutique investment bank. I'm not sure अभी वो आता है कि नहीं आता KJ के campus पे, but they have a lot of clients from US domain, and they're like amazing people. 2 साल उसने Aranka में काम किया, and then one day she gets a call from Goldman Sachs. HR calls her up from Goldman Sachs and gives her an opportunity in valuation, because 2 साल में उसने CFA level 1 भी करा था. So she got in touch with me. She's like, "Sir, मुझे ऐसा एक opportunity आया है." I was like, "It's impossible, हो ही नहीं सकता." तो मैंने कहा कि कंसल्टेंट ने बोला होगा, जो गोल्डमैन के लिए हायर करता होगा वो कंसल्टेंट ने बोला होगा. She's like, "नहीं sir, she is an AVP from Goldman Sachs HR department." She showed me that email, and that was a real thing. So I asked her कि it's a great opportunity. 21 लाख का पैकेज है, 21 lakhs they are paying you valuation के लिए. उनको पूछो कि उन्होंने प्रोफाइल शॉर्टलिस्ट कैसे किया. सो एक रीजन था जिसकी वजह से गोल्डमैन सैक्स ने उसको कॉल दिया, एंड द ओनली रीजन वाज शी वाज अ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट फ्रॉम केजी सोमैया एंड देन सीएफए 1. सो इवेंचुअली शी डिड नॉट ज्वाइन बिकॉज फैमिली का प्रेशर था, बॉम्बे छोड़ के जाना नहीं था, कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली थी. बट दिस इज व्हाट ही राइटली सेड. इसका प्रोफाइल अच्छा नहीं था आकाश ने, बट ही वर्कड वेरी हार्ड. प्रोफाइल बहुत फाड़ बनाया इसने. सेम थिंग is for you also. So guys, if you get inside, build your profile, do something good, be in top 10, then I think you will have great chances, right? So